Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and unique vehicles of 2026, the brand new BYD Motorhome. This is not just a motorhome, it's a symbol of how far electric mobility and smart travel have come. BYD has already earned global attention for its electric cars and buses, and now they've brought all that expertise into the world of motorhomes. The result is a vehicle that combines the freedom of travel with the sustainability of electric power, and it's definitely something worth exploring in detail. Let's start with the first impression. The exterior of the 2026 BYD Motorhome is sleek and modern, a refreshing change from the boxy, old-school RV designs. It has smooth, aerodynamic lines that not only look futuristic, but also improve efficiency on long drives. The front carries BYD's new design language, with a wide LED light bar that stretches across the grille area, giving it a bold yet elegant look. Large panoramic windows line the sides, offering natural light and beautiful views for anyone inside. The body is built with lightweight composite materials that make it both strong and efficient, and the subtle use of chrome accents around the windows and doors adds a premium touch. The size is impressive but not intimidating, perfect for highways and campsites alike. With retractable awnings, solar panels integrated on the roof, and hidden storage compartments along the side, every inch of this exterior feels purposeful and practical. Moving inside, the BYD Motorhome really shows its brilliance. Step through the electric sliding door and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. BYD has used a minimalistic yet high-tech approach to design. There's soft ambient lighting that can be customized. Through the smart control system, high-quality sustainable materials for the seats and panels, and an open floor plan that makes the space feel bigger than it is. The living area includes a comfortable sofa set that can convert into a bed, along with a fold-out dining table that seats 4. The kitchen is compact but smartly designed with an induction cooktop, a fridge, microwave, and even a water purification system built in. Above the driver's cabin, there's an additional sleeping area that can comfortably fit 2 people, making this a true family-friendly motorhome. One of the highlights inside is the digital command center. Instead of dozens of manual switches, you have a central touchscreen integrated with BYD's software, where you can monitor battery levels, solar charging, interior climate, lighting, and even entertainment options. The motorhome is also voice-controlled, so simple commands like dim the lights or play music make it feel futuristic and effortless. For long trips, the bathroom and shower space are compact but well-designed, using space-saving folding doors and eco-friendly water systems. Overall, the interior feels like BYD has taken the best parts of modern EVs and combined them with the comforts of home. Now let's talk about performance, which is where the BYD Motorhome sets itself apart from traditional motorhomes. Underneath, it runs on BYD's latest Blade battery technology, with a massive battery pack that provides a range of around 400 miles on a single charge. Impressive for a vehicle of this size. To support long journeys, the roof is fitted with solar panels that can extend the range by slowly topping up the battery when parked in sunlight. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivers smooth and confident performance, even on steep hills or rough terrain. It's not built for racing, of course, but the acceleration is surprisingly good for a motorhome, making merging onto highways easy and safe. Charging is also convenient. Using BYD's fast charging system, the battery can be recharged up to 80% in about 40 minutes at compatible stations, which means you can stop for lunch and be back on the road quickly. For overnight camping, the motorhome also supports bi-directional charging, meaning it can power your campsite or even another EV if needed. Driving comfort is another highlight, with adaptive air suspension, quiet electric motors, and excellent noise insulation. The BYD Motorhome offers a calm and relaxing ride, perfect for long road trips with family or friends. When it comes to safety, BYD has packed in all the advanced driver assist features you'd expect. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring make driving such a large vehicle far less stressful. There's even a semi-autonomous driving mode for highways, which lets the motorhome handle some of the workload during long stretches. This is especially useful on cross-country trips. Now let's talk about price, because that's often the deciding factor for many buyers. The 2026 BYD Motorhome starts at around $120,000, which is competitive compared to traditional luxury motorhomes, especially considering it's fully electric. With all options and premium packages, it can go up to around $160,000. That might sound high, but when you factor in fuel savings, low maintenance costs of electric motors, and the convenience of solar power, the overall value is very strong. For families or travelers who want a sustainable, high-tech motorhome experience, this price point makes a lot of sense. In the end, the 2026 BYD Motorhome is more than just a travel vehicle. It's a glimpse into the future of road trips.